Hello, welcome to Acm chapter Pvgcoet. In this video, we will be discussing about deploying the Acm website onto pvgcoet.acm.org URL. So, for example, if I go on this acm.org URL, you can see our website is deployed on the website on the Acm's subdomain. So, let us understand how it is working, and I would also be glad if I had this details earlier, but I had to figure things on my own. So this video will be helpful for you new members to understand the process. So first of all, you have to get the server account request email. So this is given to core members only, but I will share the password and username with the technical team. So this is our hosting URL. So it is hosted on cPanel. cPanel is similar to WordPress. Now let us see how we can log in and all of that. So first, before even logging in, this first process to do here is you have to completely build the website. Okay, whenever the website is ready, then this process is has to be completed. So let me copy this URL and suppose I am on this link, cPanel connecting. We will wait for some time. It says username and password. Now here you need to enter the username which I have given and password. This is generated by the Acm organization, so we cannot control it. Click on login. So this is how the panel looks like. Now if you are here for the deployment and not for any other service enhancement, just don't touch anything. If you play with anything, things might get broken. So how to deploy this? So to start deploying, okay, so the first step was to log in. After successfully logging in, before continuing in this, let's go to the code. So this is the build for this is the current source code of the project. Basically, stop if the app is running. I will show you the next steps. Okay, so run npm run build. So I hope you are familiar enough with the React to know what the command does. It basically builds out your static folder to deploy onto the server. So it should be done in a minute, and there it is completed. So this is the build folder. You can see it has static, redirects, asset, manifest, JSON, and all of that files. So now let us see where we have to use this build folder. Going back onto the cPanel. Okay, so I hope the current process has been clear. Going to file manager. Now actually I have to research a lot about this before I understand any of this. So go to public HTML. I hope it is clear enough to see. So as you can see here, it has all of the files, same files that we had here, which is index, logo preview, robots, redirect, asset, manifest. So all of these files are present here as well. Basically now this is present because I have deployed the website already. Before that, this folder was actually not present. I had to create that folder, and then the website got deployed on the URL, which is Acm Pvgcoet. I think pvgcoet.acm.org. So this is how the website is deployed. Now if you want to deploy your version, what you have to do, just select all and click on delete. Okay, so there should be a delete button. I'm not clicking on the delete button here because it will stop this website, but click on delete. It will delete all of the files. Okay, and after that there should be a button to upload. So this is the button to upload. Click on the button and select all of these files. Okay, like select the entire contents in this build folder, including these files and the static folder. So after uploading, it should look something like this. Now if you are asking me how the .well known and CGI bin is not present in our directory, but it is present here. So this is actually auto generated by cPanel. This is for the WordPress purposes. So it's its own logging. related to security features. So yeah, this is the process of deployment, and giving you an overview of this dashboard. So this is basically built on top of WordPress. It is a flavor of WordPress. It has different features like database, social networking management, URL management, and multiple features. But the real problem is this is based on PHP, which is a very old language. So to use any of those present features in our app, to integrate them, requires a lot of time, and it is also waste of energy, in my opinion. So that's why we have not used those resources. We have used our own solutions. So this was the process of deployment.